nítorí pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kó lọ ládùúgbò Lizzy Anjorin ìjà bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láàrin wọn. Jígan bàbá ọjà gbéná wojú Portable olórin. Ẹ jókòó ẹ gbọ́ ìròyìn náà lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́. Habib Òkìkíọlá Badmus táwọn tiẹ̀ ń pè ní Portable ti dá Jígan bàbá ọjà onítìátà lóhùn. Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé Jígan bàbá ọjà pe Portable lẹ́jọ́ wípé ó dárúkọ rẹ̀ nínú orin tó kọ tó dá lórí WhatsApp group tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ṣí lórí ikú Mohbad tí wọ́n fẹ́ wádìí rẹ̀. Èyí tí Jígan bàbá ọjà sì pé Portable lẹ́jọ́. Portable ti fi ìwé ìpẹ̀jọ́ náà rẹ́rìn tó sì sọ pé Jígan ò rí bílíọ̀nù kan náírà rí láyé rẹ̀. Portable sọ pé òun kọ̀ọ̀kan rí nípa ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni àti pé òun ò sí nínú WhatsApp group ó sì kọ̀ láti fọwọ́ sí ìwé ìpẹ̀jọ́ náà. Ó jọ pé ìjà Lizzy Anjorin àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò ṣetán láti tán látàrí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin tún sọ nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
Fake narratives to cover crimes, a lot of crimes, unspeakable crimes. I want to know why you push narratives. Nigerians, it's quite unfortunate. Someone said Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, okay, Davina said no, Davina was saying the truth. But this lover, but Warriors does not need money from a Very Dark Man. Instead, Warriors will contribute to Very Dark Man's foundation. We don't need no money. We stand on the truth. And Davina said, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, when it comes to these bloggers, even for the fact that Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, I love the fact that the whole Nigerian knows that you use all the bloggers to push narrative. It shows again that you are like you are likely to know much about Mohbad's death than Naira Marley. Because Naira Marley does not have bloggers working for him. Naira Marley does not have instruments that stalk people. Naira Marley does not have instruments that conducted rallies that come out in millions. He owns everything, Yabo. All the instruments that send people to journey of no returns. He owns it. From calling people's phone number. Then Yabo Ojo, if I may ask, why did you posted my husband's phone number under Gistlover? I want to know. I'm just asking a question. You posted my husband's phone number 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. I want to know, Yabo. I want to know why you posted my husband's phone number. If Very Dark Man nudity that was being posted to you can be posted on Gistlover. So I want to know why my husband's phone number. I want to know why you, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, posted my husband's phone number on Gistlover, allegedly. And I want to know why you posted my secret code, my official phone number on Gistlover and I'm about Gistlover. I want to know. Guys, till tomorrow. But if you are in this country, if you are in this world, and you did not ask Ìyábọ̀ Òjó to bring out evidence of where Mohbad performed in abroad. Ayamalayo, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Lọ́jọ́ tí Mohbad kú, wọ́n ń change narrative, ẹ rí pé mi tẹ̀lé ń change narrative. Ẹ rí pé mi nìkan ni mo kù lẹ́yìn Naira Marley. Ẹ rí pé ní gbogbo àgbáyé, everybody tó máa change padà. I was the only one that stood for it because I donations together. Ìyábọ̀, I want to know why you posted my newborn baby on Gistlover. I want to know. I want to know. Ìyábọ̀, I want to know. Since Gistlover can chat DJ Splash Up and you appear in front of their house. Gistlover said she sent me an anonymous gift. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, and you move into my estate, and you know you have to video my compound saying you posted and you are saying wọ́n nínú estate mi ló ń gbé ìwọ tó wá rent ilé níbí tó bá jẹ́ wípé ìwọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Gistlover liars láti parọ́ fún mi pé as a Muslim ẹ fẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó for the fact pé o wá lọ́jọ́ tó fi mí jẹ bọ̀rọ̀ kìíní Ìwọ àti Gistlover tún parọ́ mọ́ mi ní Mecca. Ó fi hàn wípé set up àti mo address mi ní gift tẹ́ gbé wá ní May 16, 2020. Olórí burúkú Esabod yìí sìn ẹ gbọ́ bóyá ń sọ̀rọ̀. 2019 ni mo ti lọ sí Mecca. 2020 ni wọ́n gbé gift wá. Ṣé rí pọ́rọ̀ Esabod àti olórí burúkú IYABO Ojo tálì. IYABO Ojo ló máa lọ fún ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn láti fi divert. Ṣé ti yẹn 2019 ni mo lọ sí Mecca tí Gistlover sọ pé mo gbé drugs. 2020 May 16 ni Gistlover tó sọ pé mo gbé drugs. Ó lóun send nǹkan àwẹ̀. Ó ní alukuran de kí n kọ alukuran. But IYABO Ojo ọjọ́ tí wà àti Gistlover ti send alukuran sí mi ọjọ́ yẹn lè ti tán nínú ayé. That was your downfall, IYABO Ojo. You should have used another trick to get hold of my address, not Quran. That Quran is too much. Ọjọ́ ilé gunu Quran ti jẹ́ titi àti tọmọ ẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí bí tẹ́sán sọ wípé ó sọ̀rọ̀ kan pé kí ni ẹ̀rí pé lórí burúkú ni wọ́n. Now you brought that gift, Quran, May 16, 2020. I got married May 17, the same 2020. You, IYABO Ojo, you did housewarming of rented apartment 2 months after. So you purposely send that Quran to get hold of my address. And you have the audacity to say, for you to know that Momonti Monsodada, listen to how IYABO Ojo exposed herself. Listen to how she exposed herself. We don't have much time though, but listen to how she exposed. Fúnra rẹ̀ ló expose rẹ̀. Èèyàn kan ló expose ẹ̀. Fúnra rẹ̀ IYABO Ojo ló expose rẹ̀. Listen to this. See.
Guys, let me buttress what DJ Splash elder brother said about Gistlover versus IYABO Ojo. You see this video here? A gift was sent to me around May 16, 2020 by an
Ṣé pé mo wá pẹ̀lú receipt ni. I always come with my receipt.
Anonymous. So they gave me a praying mat, Quran and Tesbah. You know, when they get to the entrance, they ask for code, I think through my PA. We never knew this gift was to get hold of my house address, the secret code of my house, and exact building that belongs to me in this estate. Because in this estate, they don't post numbers like house A, house B, house C. They don't post it on the wall. So it takes someone that you've taken to your house before to identify your house and your address. You can only know your address, but the house, nobody can know your house. So this gift here was sent to me by an anonymous. Then Gistlover texted me through my DM, my Instagram DM, that she's the...
Don't forget that if I did not send my document to Gistlover, she would have lied against me that it was somebody that bought the house for me. In fact, she was mentioning one person, and I sent her. I said the person you are mentioning self cannot even afford the house, cannot even afford the land in my estate. So you understand? Because she wants to know much about me. That was the reason IYABO Ojo came into this estate. A lot of people are living in this estate, though, but everybody mind their business. They don't poke nose like IYABO Ojo. They don't do rubbish like IYABO Ojo. A lot of celebrities, though IYABO Ojo is not a celebrity, she's just a pathetic baby Allah. She's a beggar. You don't understand? You can't even know that a lot of celebrity lives in it. Everybody mind their business. They don't poke nose. They don't put mouth in things that doesn't concern them. And if you watch IYABO Ojo very well, for you to know that IYABO Ojo purposely sent this to get hold of my address. Do you know that it was after IYABO Ojo packed into this place, she did Baba Ijesha, she did Lizzy Anjorin, she did Mohbad, Naira Marley, Sam Larry, because of what? House rent. You realize that it was when IYABO Ojo packed into my estate, she now become Olori Buruku Agbako. You know she has been living on a normal, like, who knows IYABO OJO? IYABO OJO is not a star. If not for Mohbad's death, who knows IYABO OJO? IYABO OJO that was living from mouth to mouth. The moment she rented an apartment here, and she knows that she can't afford the payment of this thing, so she started doing the face-off. The gist lover cannot contain them for their oriburuku, joint oriburuku. The Esabod stuff cannot contain her anymore. She desperately needed money. Go and check IYABO OJO's profile. Go and check. She become the nuisance and the pure blackmailers. In fact, it was because of money, donation. IYABO OJO kept Mohbad's wife in her house. Isho in her house. Mohbad's son in her house. DJ Splash in her house. Is because of house rent. All of you should know today. It's because of the house rent. She cannot afford the house rent. That is why she needs to destroy people. She needs to destroy people. As IYABO OJO featured her own son, a miserable son, the way she was featuring Liam. You remember that Gistlover was posting Liam. I was saying, Gistlover, allow Liam to grow. Leave Liam. You remember? They stopped. Later, Gistlover started again. I came for Gistlover again. I said, leave Liam. Don't come and show Liam face. IYABO OJO and her daughter now started displaying because they needed Liam for more donations. IYABO OJO needed Liam for more donations. She needed Enusho for donations. That was the reason she kept Enusho under her roof. So that she can be blackmailing Lizzy and Johnny to buy pity for Enusho to get money for rent. That was the reason why she lied that she bought shop 2 million and she posted it on it. Oh my God, she said she bought shop 2 million naira for Fola. When IYABO OJO did show a few days ago, what did she say? She said her shop is on rent. How can IYABO OJO that uses rented shop to buy a shop for Fola? Fola need to be selling bra under IYABO OJO for donations to be paying shop rent. So IYABO OJO surely knows what she's doing. And ask IYABO OJO that why did you move to Lizzy and Johnny's estate? And IYABO OJO, when you move to Lizzy and Johnny's estate, if your mission is not to collect Lizzy and Johnny's house, why did you keep Fola under your own roof? Ask her. Because she thought my enemy will die. Unfortunately, I surprised IYABO OJO by getting married. And IYABO OJO went to go and hire Fola. Because IYABO OJO's target is this house. Because I have sent them documents of this house under Gistlover. Don't forget. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. Connect the fucking dots. Mo nǹkan tí mo sọ. Mo mọ tí mo sọ. Àwọn document tèmi send sí Gistlover yẹn. Ṣó ti ẹ̀yin ni IYABO OJO fi rò wípé tóun bá wá ní estate mi, tó bá bully ọ̀tá mi to death. Ó ti ẹ̀yin wọ́n kàn máa gbé àwọn nǹkan kan jáde ni. Most things Gistlover was posting, there are things Mohbad has sent to Gistlover to exonerate himself. Why did Mohbad phone disappeared? Who deleted Mohbad iCloud? Who stole Mohbad's phone? Why did IYABO OJO pack into my estate? After coming into my estate, why did IYABO OJO not mind her business the way other celebrity mind their business in this estate? We have lots of celebrities in this estate. Many celebrities are living in this estate, but everybody mind their business. Why did IYABO OJO pack into this estate? When IYABO OJO pack into my estate, Why didn't she mind her dead business? Why did IYABO OJO went to go and hire Fola? Ask IYABO OJO. Because my document, the document of this house, is with Gistlover. Ask IYABO OJO that why is she using blogs to destroy people? Why is IYABO OJO painting a victim as a mad person? If truly IYABO OJO's hands are clean. If IYABO OJO's hands are clean, why is she not coming saying, okay, so date, Mohbad travel with my so Agbesun, so date, they arrive at airport, so date, this is where Mohbad played, this is where he had his show, this is an address, you can go and confirm. You see the way I defend myself. Why did IYABO OJO didn't do all that? Why did she decide not to do? Why did she always use bloggers? Why did IYABO OJO used to instigate word to hate innocent victims? Because IYABO OJO thought if the person died, you people will not seek for justice. I want IYABO OJO to come out and tell the whole world. Number one, why did Gistlover is close to you? Why did Gistlover send me anonymous to get hold of my address and my secret code? IYABO OJO, if you did not purposely pack into this estate to take what belongs to Lizzy and Jory, IYABO, if you are not packing into this estate in order to hijack my properties, why can't you mind your business the way other celebrities mind their business in this estate? It's a question. Ṣé IYABO OJO nìkan ló wà láyé? If IYABO OJO's hands are cleaned about Mohbad's case, why did IYABO OJO harbor those that was with Mohbad at the last minute of Mohbad? Why did IYABO OJO harbor them? Ṣé kò tó béèrè? Tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bá mọ́, àwọn tó wà pẹ̀lú Mohbad ní last moment. Kí ló dé tó ṣe harbor wọn sọ́dọ̀? Kí ló dé tó ṣe ti àbúrò Mohbad lọ máa kọrin nígbà tẹ́gbọ́n ẹ̀ ṣe wà mọ́ṣúárì? Is that how to mourn or how to cover something? Kí ló dé tó ṣe dàárín bàbá rú? Kí ló dé tó ṣe lọ conduct DNA pẹ̀lú obìnrin? Tí ọwọ́ IYABO OJO bá mọ́, kí ni IYABO OJO wá ṣe nínú estate mi lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí ó gba document mi London Gistlover? Nígbà tí IYABO OJO dénú estate mi, tó bá jẹ́ wípé gift tí IYABO OJO fi parọ́ ìkọ́ ló fi gba document mi, tó bá yẹ pé IYABO OJO mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ wá sínú estate mi láti gba property mi, kí ló dé tí IYABO OJO ṣe mind the business ẹ̀? The attitude IYABO OJO, what IYABO OJO did to Lizzy and Jory, can you ever do it? I am pointing finger to you. Can you in your life do it? Someone that you guys are colleagues, the person bought a property in an estate. You came to rent an apartment in that estate. And you were constantly stalking that person to the extent of you went to go and hire in likes of Sariyu. You that you are in rented house, rented shop, you now lie to Nigerians that you bought a shop for Fola. In your shop that you rented. Ask IYABO OJO that what is the purpose of doing that to Lizzy? If not for pé IYABO OJO ó rò pọ́tà mi máa kú pẹ̀lú bully. Dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì tó ti gbà London Gistlover kán lè wá lò yẹn. Guys should connect now. Connect now. IYABO OJO should come out and tell the whole world the reason why he choked his dead glory mouth into my matter. Ask IYABO OJO that what is her purpose of coming into Lizzy and Jory's estate? Why is IYABO OJO not living like other artists that live in this estate? As a matter of fact, we don't know our house. We don't know each other's house. Everybody mind their businesses here. At least you met me in this estate. IYABO OJO, have you ever seen me picking on anybody in this estate? Have you ever seen me picking on anybody? IYABO OJO, you picked on me because my house, the mansion I bought in 2019, they enter your eyes. And IYABO OJO, if you look at what by Mohbad, it has to do with property too. Ṣé ọmọ afẹ́ IYABO OJO ò fọkọ lọ́kọ? Ṣé ọkọ ọmọ afẹ́ IYABO OJO ò gbélé ọmọ afẹ́ IYABO OJO? Ṣé mo kẹnu mi bọ̀rọ̀ wọn rí? Ṣé mo kí ẹnu mi bọ̀rọ̀ wọn rí? Ẹ fún mi ní at least a sì lè ka oní tíátà márùn tọkọ wọn gbélé wọn. Ṣé Lizzy Anjorin kí ẹnu bọ̀rọ̀ wọn rí? Is a question. I want to know why IYABO OJO believes IYABO OJO máa ráre kú tọmọtọmọ ẹni sẹ́. Gbàgbé ẹ̀ guys, good night. Má bẹ́ẹ̀ pò sẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ rò pé mo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣeré ni. Tí ẹ ti tán ò ní gbérí mọ́. Tí ẹ ti tán ò ní gbérí mọ́ sẹ́. Kí ló wá ṣe nínú estate mi? Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́ gba document ilé mi London Gist Lover. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́ gba secret code ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi IYABO OJO, kí ló wá ṣe nínú estate mi? Nígbà tó dé nínú estate mi, why are you not living like a normal artist because you are not a celebrity? It's Oku Mohbad that gave you little fame. And that fame is a negative fame. It is not a positive fame. IYABO OJO, I am asking you, why did you refuse to leave? You met Lizzy Anjorin in this estate. Have you ever seen Lizzy Anjorin putting mouth in other people's that own estate, their own house in this estate? Have you ever seen me putting mouth in their matter? Ìwọ odu ọkọlọkọ IYABO OJO. Mr. Dino Melayo kì í ṣọkọlọkọ. Àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tán ló dópa allegedly wọ́n ṣọkọlọkọ. Àwọn bọ̀dá mi kòrò wọ́n ṣọkọlọkọ allegedly ṣé wọ́n ṣọkọlọkọ. Jẹ́ kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ ó gbọ̀n lọ́rùn ó gbọ̀n lẹ́pọ̀n. Ṣé kò ṣọkọlọkọ? Ìwọ ló disveji wọn. Lórí burúkú ọmọ òfò tó máa mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. IYABO OJO, ó máa ṣorí burúkú tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀ dọjọ́ alẹ́ ni. Forget it. Scrutinize IYABO OJO. Ó sọ fún wa nǹkan tó pa Mohbad. Naira Marley wo ló pa Mohbad? Ṣé Naira Marley máa ń cyber stalking ni? Àbí Naira Marley máa ń implant àwọn èèyàn sílé onílé ni? Àbí Naira Marley máa ń lọlé onílé ni? Àbẹ́ gbọ́ bí tí Naira Marley sọ pọ́n forcefully entrance ọmọ àbọ̀n fọ́mọ oní drugs ni? Rí iye narrative tó lórí burúkú IYABO OJO máa ń push around. Naira Marley wo ló pa Mohbad bí Sam Larry? Ọmọ ta ni Sam Larry? Yes. But kò ní instrument tó lè fi pààyàn. IYABO OJO ló máa stock àwọn èèyàn kiri now. Guys, ohun tó mú mi tí mi fẹ́ nu kọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ díẹ̀ lé mo sọ pé èmi ni last customer IYABO OJO èmi. Wàá rò pé tó ń bá àwọn èèyàn ṣe ni. Ó sọ mí díje ṣàwá lọ́ọ̀kì mi ọ̀pọ̀ ogun ló máa pa ló máa fẹ̀jọ àwọn ọmọ yíyẹ̀pẹ̀ IYABO OJO. Ogun lákàyé kóòtù àti station tá a bá lọ tó bá ní audacity láti wá kẹnubọ̀ gbéyàwó mi. Wọ́n á sọ fún ẹ. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ sọ fún mi. Olórí burúkú wọ IYABO OJO tó máa mọ sàárì ọmọ ẹ tó máa fi aṣọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ikú òjijì yí gbogbo ọmọ tó jáde lára wọ IYABO OJO. Àti àwọn ọmọ tó bá jáde lára àwọn ọmọ ẹ àti Esabod àtàwọn tó ń gbèjà tá máa fi aṣọ ikú òjijì yí gbogbo yín tọmọtọmọ yín. Mo fẹ́ mọ IYABO OJO audacity tó ní. Mo fẹ́ mọ ni. Mo fẹ́ mọ ohun tó ní tó jẹ́ yóò tó jẹ́ síkùn. Àpò tipẹ́ tó ti ń ṣe. Mo ṣe fíìmù ẹ delete ẹ. Mo po lórí burúkú ti bí sí location ẹ gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi. Ẹ kúrò location ẹ lówó yín. Kò ṣiṣẹ́ rárá ó kò location.
Àti mọ̀ bóyá IYABO OJO máa fún Lizzy Anjorin lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ tàbí kò ní fún.